Folks, welcome and thanks for shopping at Sawnee Mountain Motors online. Beautiful little new car trade-in, 17 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's a sport. Someone has taken exceptional care of this truck. It's hard top. Someone's added leather to it, added power windows to it. So it was kind of a base model that someone added a bunch of stuff to. It's been lifted with Fox shocks, no rough country stuff. It's got bumpers on it, rock sliders. Someone painted the overwheel flares, look real good. Look like almost brand new wheels and tires. I just drove this thing about 15-20 miles out and back. Runs and drives great. Doesn't look like it's ever been in the mud. If you look how clean it is, just exceptionally nice Jeep. We will put this thing through the shop, fully service it, clean it, detail it, is done. We'll make sure it doesn't have any issues or problems, but I was shocked at how smooth this Jeep drove already with the big wheels and tires. Someone put some nice leather seat covers in this Jeep. Super nice, hard top, automatic. Sorry about that sun. The sun is really out tonight. It's got an aftermarket radio in it, Bluetooth. Steering wheel's nice, carpet is nice, got all-weather floor mats in it, door panels are nice. Truck doesn't show that it's been beat up and not taken care of ever. Aftermarket radio, you got your speaker bar up there. It's got a sub in the back. Look how pretty that thing is. It's got a matching spare fifth wheel and tire, which is always a nice addition. A lot of people don't do. Got your sub in the back. We can take that out if you need the space. Hard top with the removable tops in the front. Got the bumper on the back. Hard to find a Jeep this well taken care of with the 138 that still looks, runs, and drives exceptionally well. But this is the one. So give me a call anytime, guys. This thing will be through the shop in the next day or two. I don't find any issues with the truck at all, so I just anticipate normal maintenance. Fluids and filters and all that stuff will service the differentials just because the mileage. Probably service the transfer case unless we can see that it's been done recently. Fluids, air filter, oil filter, and this will make you a great weekend Jeep, guys. Give me a call anytime on my cell, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.